Converting units. Master measurements in English. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and practical topic: converting between units in English. Whether you're cooking, traveling, or studying, understanding measurements and knowing how to convert them is an essential skill. Before we get into conversions, let's first understand some basic units of measurement used in the English language. Length. We measure length in inches, feet, yards, and miles in the US, while the rest of the world generally uses millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Weight. In the US, we use ounces, pounds, and tons. In contrast, the rest of the world uses grams, kilograms, and tons. Volume. For liquids, the US uses fluid ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. The metric system, used by most other countries, measures volume in milliliters, liters, and cubic meters. The key to understanding measurements is recognizing that different systems are in use around the world. This is why we often need to convert units from one system to another. This could be converting miles to kilometers, pounds to kilograms, or gallons to liters, and vice versa. Now that we understand the basic units and the need for conversion, let's discuss how to convert units. Here are some common conversions. Length. 1 mile is approximately 1.6 kilometers, and 1 inch is about 2.54 centimeters. Weight. 1 pound is approximately 0.45 kilograms. Volume. 1 gallon is about 3.8 liters. You can apply these conversions using simple multiplication and division. Let's take a look at a few examples. 1. Example 1. If you have a recipe that calls for 2 pounds of flour, and you want to know how many kilograms that is, you multiply 2 by 0.45. So, 2 pounds is approximately 0.9 kilograms. 2. Example 2. If you are told that a place is 5 kilometers away, and you want to convert that to miles, you would divide 5 by 1.6. Thus, 5 kilometers is about 3.1 miles. Remember, practice is key. The more you use these conversions, the more comfortable you will become with them. And that brings us to the end of our video on converting between units in English. We hope this has been helpful, and remember, conversions are everywhere, from recipes to road signs. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be converting units with ease. Until next time, keep learning,